Greetings, my name is Randy Sly. I'm a senior component engineer in Minnesota. I specialize in electromechanical parts, and connectors are a big part of what I do. When an engineer comes to me and says, I need help finding a rectangular connector, and he tells me that I'm going to need a connector that will go on the bottom of a circuit card to be used in a computer application, to a daughter card, to a backplane card. There are only a few connector suppliers out there, and a lot of people make the same kind of thing, but what comes to mind right away for me is this relationship that I have with Harting. And because of having worked with Harting in the past on a few different connectors, and knowing that, first of all, the standard connectors are really good, and if we need some special help, they can come back and they're willing to work with us, whether it happens to be making a special plating or a special contact shape, or leaving out contacts for if for instance, we want to key something where you have certain contacts not populated or whatever it is. I think because of the relationship I have with Harting, I'm very quick to say, hey guys, let's see, can we use one of these type of connectors in your application? And you know, some people will say, oh, well, that's a DIN connector. That's technology that's going away. Start talking about differential signals and high-speed signals that are shielded, that are running in the 10 gigahertz range. But you know what? Most of the time, these computers are running a lot slower than that. There's a lot of life left in the DIN program. I would put Harting in a handful of probably the 4 best connector companies in the world. And the reason I say that is, if someone comes in and says, hey, I need help, and Harting's the one, it's like, you know what? From the first call, whether it happens to be the local sales guy or the guy back in Elgin, I will get a quick response, either by email or answering the phone or visiting face-to-face. I get a quick response, and then when I say, hey, I need some help, similar to what this is, can you do such and such? And not just that person getting back to me. It's not a, oh, okay, here 2 weeks has gone by and I need to get a response here. I mean, knowing that I need some kind of response quickly. The normal in the industry is maybe a day or two response, and I think Harting is exceptional in less than a day response back on a lot of things. We've got a really nice strategic partnership with Harting where we've sat down, our engineers, our quality people, our test people, production people, different project engineers and stuff, sitting down with folks from Harting and going through discussions with what the parts are, how we can get into something as simple as how the part is formed. Our customers have high standards for our product. They want high quality, high reliability, robust things. And so we want to make sure that we choose suppliers that are going to have the same type of standards and ideals. They want to provide a high quality, robust, reliable product that will last for years and years, not be a throwaway product. And so what it really boils down to is our success is very much dependent on Harting's success. So if Harting successfully makes us a connector that works in our environment, it'll work in our box or our computer or whatever we use it for, and then we succeed when we're selling it to our customer.